One thing you know, from December start.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. So I'm here with my cousin, and I already know if y'all tune into the Jamaica vlogs, y'all already know. Anyhow,
my name is Felicia.
Felicia, we're here with Phil. So we're gonna do a street food mukbang. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Both of us got fried chicken. Fried chicken, I get no.
Yeah.
And both of us eat all yours already. No, my after. So I'm gonna show them mine.
Yeah, show them yours.
See it there. Come closer. I can't see it properly. Yep, so that's me. I got pork gravy. Show them yours too, because I feel one them out, but they did hungry cousin.
This too knocking for sure.
But the first time I start eating, but me eat a little bit, I don't know so much I eat. And then I made us some strawberry daiquiri, so we got some daiquiri on the side for one. So we're just going to eat. How much is feedback food?
$4.50.
$4.50. And then so that 900. So that's not bad. Where were I talking about, Phil?
I can't talk about back in the days.
Back in the day? Yeah. Like, well.
Like. This time I'm not eating.
Hey, me and Phil, we grew up together. It was me, Phil, and Kim growing up. And like, we couldn't go nowhere.
Nowhere at all.
Nowhere.
Especially me.
Yeah, you, Miss Gavin is strict.
Even when I go, I still can't go.
Like we do one, and we live on a hill. So by the time when mommy ready, you know, you just want to see and pint up. So come go up. Ready, you want to see me and Kim and march and come up.
That time I come up a long time.
That time everybody still down there, and you say, my man, I say, I can't get me to a big somebody. I'm like, why am I ready right now? Like, you can't do shit.
Me used to say, me can't wait till me get 16. And right now, I wish me at 2.
For real, right? Boy.
Sure.
Look, in the pork.
Pepper?
That's good. But I feel like, but before me go there, son, good times in it though. I feel like all of that work out for the best. Like, you go with turnout. You know what I say? So like, as kids, you think say, are the worst thing them I do or them I punish you or whatever.
True.
But when you look back on it and say, Jano, like you're thankful for the way them grow because coming on. Maybe if me get my freedom, I don't know life would have like you know what I'm saying?
I believe it would have fared out bad. Would have turned out bad.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Because boy
With this stubborn.
Bad.
Or stubborn.
Stop bad.
But as Patois, stubborn.
Stubborn, with this stubborn. Are we the actors, you know? You couldn't tell me nothing. You couldn't tell me nothing. Well, look nice. Everything.
First when I come on to December time,
Mr.
we have it in our wear.
Yep.
And when me can wear you know.
Listen.
But why not see yeah, go take you off.
Remember on Christmas now? Just up in a booty. And your booties. And looking back, them time you could tell me no way. But no, me look up and I never act.
Never had. You remember which year gold did out here?
Yes.
Just up in a big gold.
Yeah, girl. Every Christmas it was a statement piece. So every Christmas I something else I wear happy, you know? If I know colors, if I know something I wear, you know?
True.
Whatever it was, we did in the mix. And well, I'm telling you the actors.
True.
But I feel like there were definitely restrictions. We couldn't do certain things, couldn't go certain way.
More than church.
More than church.
And church did nice them time.
Yeah, tell us so we did baptized.
Yeah, we were once Christian. I am.
I'm still a Christian, but we just Turn back, correct?
You alone turn back, you know. Me I go forward. You alone.
Yes, sir.
Me turn back.
Yes, sir. We call it your backslide.
Backslide.
Oh, yeah. Alright, your backslide. Turn back.
First time church life. We used to sing.
Knock tambourine.
Oh, it was such a joy to knock tambourine at church. And it was also a race to get a special black tambourine.
You look a black and white one.
It was a race, yes. Because it plays really good.
Yeah, man, it are the best one. Like, honestly.
And when they shake and then come up at it, the shine thing them, we'll knock it see.
It's still not good.
It's still not good,
yeah, man.
Because you get bass out of it. That was a really good tambourine.
Yeah. And Phil can sing.
Once.
So yes, you can't sing?
Anyone with your voice can mash up.
But yeah, you should have choir, dancing, tambourine, and skit. Skit you say nice. Oh god.
A lot of skit.
I think I just make my acting skills from.
Yes. Me too.
I
left for other churches and me dance for them. They come third.
You see a convention or something there?
Yeah.
The time they with the app, you know, because remember so we couldn't go away, so we can't wear Spanish tour in a poster bus and all these things.
It was a joy.
Church used to be nice. We used to make church nice. One church have young people.
True.
Church I was like.
And full church is full of young people. A lot of young people. And most of them could have sing.
We
So
could have sing, you know.
a combination of every little thing.
You used to love the skits them.
Yeah. We used to love when a rally time.
Yeah.
Bake good polo. And then put this whole heap of food and this whole heap of something.
Remember in a rally time and you have people, to pay for people to come down?
Yes,
I mean to make sure the mommy come for me quick, you know, because I don't want to turn up that stay up there by myself.
But
Feel this strong, man.
you know, friend, no?
You strong.
Right now, I love it. I'm not strong.
I be up than me at years.
I'm not strong. Really good.
The turn Romero.
Oh, there used to remember about them here, to the child when we used to go to church and open swapping trail. Yeah. That was the worst part of it.
Cause she did a youth leader now?
Yes, I thought she pinched with nothing at all. She just like pinch. Wish we could have pinched her back.
You know, good on a market, go pinch him. Is he long there?
Yeah, she's still in the market.
I feel like the things that know that as a mother, you do the same thing them we never like as a kid.
True. And make you realize that it's just a phase every kid's have to go through at certain stage in life. So then we must face challenges, but we just need the correct way of doing things. Or if someone are correct us, then correct us in the good way. Because honestly, sometimes the way only think them are correct way, that's not the way.
Yeah, I feel like when we start have kids, like, I feel like we still have to instill certain things in them, but
a different
way. Like, you know, we could take the check, we just have yes ma'am, no, like we have an answer like yeah woman, no woman, or whatever. We could
and I think
back chat and then something there.
Not really back chat, but sometimes you have to listen to what your kids have to
say.
To know why they did this and school them in the right way. Don't just bully them.
Yeah.
Honestly, we get a lot of bullying.
They need to take no check back in the day.
Nobody to listen our side of story. Nobody. We just have to take what we get.
And that make somebody come out and read and tell them something.
They believe.
They not believe in it. Somebody I wanna let people them out there. We are getting lick.
Mostly get the washing brush. Or the eye. When I say the eye roll out,
I know me need.
You know say.
I know me need them.
Me enjoy my childhood still. Me enjoy it until they will leave me.
And I feel like I just love Jamaica so much. Like, it'll be a good memory when we put in and I grew up. I mean, it's different now that we are big somebody. We go out and hear something, but it's different.
Really different. Because first time, even when I go shop first time, it's far. And now, you just come like 1 foot and you reach. But first time, far.
First time is nice. Scotchy, dandy, shandy, baseball, Chinese skip, upscotch.
Where's the place?
To play upscotch, Chinese skip, scotchy, or dandy, shandy.
We used to play this game and we are when Animal place, what food and
oh, non-game, yeah. Oh, book game, I thought. I think I run up and down.
No, man.
Because all the time we can't go run. Yeah, we have to play enough book game. Non-game, ABC fast or so.
Yes.
How would me that play that? Yeah. But I tell you, where you go back and tell yourself, say, when at them time there, when your parents is strict or whatever, you don't go back and tell yourself, say. Once mommy rough me up, I say, no, me not me vex to the world.
Well, me would have no other choice than to just listen away from grandmother say. But I wish she was there right now, so me and her couldn't talk like back in the days how she used to behave and what could have done to prevent that, or what other method she could have used in place of how she used to behave. But that's just it. That's just it. Can't change anything now.
Yeah.
More than with our kids, we just try something else.
Yeah. I tell myself to keep cut and listen.
True.
I go to them there, I tell you. Even fellow, where we were,
Yes.
I feel like they never, we did as kids, we don't look on the here and now.
Yes.
But them I think go long term.
Long term.
What kind of morals, what kind of thing them are instill in our way. So that when we turn big somebody now, what we are going to do. You know what else we eat?
When? When?
You know so. The box they all over the place.
You know get this food, yeah? Just to save a life.
When you are picking you so nice. Yeah.
Every minute.
Every minute.
Just one.
And them that time $50 for.
$50 one food. But did really good. And sometimes you have one long line.
Yeah. But you see, what I noticed, with any food shop, is when they in our local tiny place, food nice, you know, but once they expand, the food like,
They do it and touch.
That's why it's my best thing then come from humble beginnings.
True, but it's not taste the same every day, but
Yeah.
sometimes it can taste better.
Not saying they don't expand when okay, good to expand out, you know? You're running our business, of course you're going to improve on. Tell me, you know what you talk about say this not strong, you know? What's your favorite childhood memory?
When church over and we are easy to come down, we're going to chat through a little story. And as church done, we run out, you know, because we most of them now come down till 11 o'clock. So we want to come and talk food because story before them come. That was the best thing about it.
True, you know?
I enjoyed that part. True.
I know once them sit down as big woman up at church, you know, they now move.
They now move. Until the food store, then I want to see if I start bad. First when me hear the cock and start crowing, I start daylight, I'm not sleep yet. I did love sleep. Sleeping at church, I sleep and walk.
I don't remember sleeping no for me up in.
I sleep no for me happening. As I sit down at church first time, like when I like not youth night.
Youth night used to night. You can't sleep youth night.
But
when not big people then night.
Oh God, I sleep.
You know what's one of my memory?
True.
When we used to play a sword in hand, and then somebody at the Bible, hey, we used to competitive, you know, because me. I when I go to the Bible, you find the Bible, like we always use Psalm 119, because the verse is long now. And when you have to find the verse for them to read.
Yeah.
We used to love
that was nice.
Yeah, we used to love that. I used to love that.
What is your worst childhood memory?
Girl, me not say that.
No, like pretending to what we do it with church. My worst childhood memory is when we have to follow everybody home, and then when I full return, we have this long journey to go back. That is my worst childhood memory. It would have hurt me, I see. Yeah, I worst part of it.
What did I worst
we follow them growing up housing, and at a night dark, you know. And yet still we have to come back. When everybody reach home, we still live on the road.
Why? Mommy, worst child memory? But you know what for me?
I can't talk.
You can't talk. Not there.
Can't talk at all. That was then.
Yeah.
And I still want to drink and jump, you know.
You can't drink and jump. I have to call someone then. I have to teach you in the mama.
I love this.
But I'm not like strong.
You're strong.
You're strong? Man strong.
I'm not strong, man. You're mine.
You can't eat apple down.
Not strong.
Could you too? Then after I video like coffee. Wow, I'm frost. You can't feel
That's a hard type of thing.
Exactly. I mean, if you're saying you're strong.
You're not strong. I'm not strong.
Shout to me, man. All in all, if you're a child right now, you feel like your parents, you know, they might do it for them. They might do it the best them know how. And that me they want to talk about. Like, we feel like sometimes we blame them for at least me, for they would react like when we pick them, but them parents them know the best them know because if you think about the parents that will grow them the worst than them, you know.
True.
So then them, just like what you say, you that instead the same things in if you're kids, it's like them are things that mommy or daddy or whoever do this, I'm never turn out bad, so I'm gonna do the same thing for my kid.
True.
So them, I feel like them parent the best them know and then you know as you go down, you know we say yeah, take certain things but can't adjust a little bit. I feel like we have the generation now where we can communicate with the kids and you know have that relationship and stuff like that. So I feel like eventually we get better. It's just a matter of you know. But yeah,
still the opinion of still not there is tough enough.
And them did need the parents them where we but you say yeah.
But a parent will always be a parent. I can't fight that.
Yeah.
And everybody good and kids different.
Yeah. I feel like in a free community, everybody good and make me see It's no, but for parents it's strict on a different level.
Because you have kids we could have go anywhere they want to go.
That's true. With them they strict on a different level with the way.
But we couldn't.
Yeah, we could have gone nowhere. Like go nowhere. We can't hear say a beach party out of beach and we can't go. Go where? Beach party. Me have to just watch people out. I pass a good on.
I want a fun day. Oh my.
Me neck back. The only way I get up to go fun there because I used to go girl and grow up in school. See me like a mansion in school, gosh fun there.
True.
I got teach you know, I think I'm in a 7th grade. Teach you have sports there. Now to teach you sports I never know like upper growth sports. Upper growth sports was a sports day. Teach you sports I never really. But anyway, girl, I would them first stay at sports day till night.
One time get a chance to go to sports day and when we in grade 9 at Grove. And as the clock ticks 7 o'clock, my auntie come up and was come pick me up.
Girl. And then me hear the, when I grew up with me, I'm afraid I used to hear them story when they say if you spit pan green bush and throw back and you look back. And when you go up in a way in trouble. So I come from sports there. I spit pan green if I potty. I'm come up and I be spit pan green and come up. But mommy was already waiting. So then green leaf they never work. I get a piece of ass. That piece of beat no man. You never go on my sports there?
One time got sports there.
She's supposed to never nice. So you be my mom give me that tip. You shouldn't even get no bean. Come in the plan for go back.
That time go sports they are
bad. Gross sports is nice.
Go after party, you know.
Gross sports after. They have after party?
Of course, it's sports they on the roof.
But me could go an after party.
I say the one time I tried to say I go stay there till about after 8 I go to 9. The clock ticks over clock. I see go stop.
Go Charlene come
Charlene. I just have to up on.
Listen, but I don't feel like we miss nothing.
No.
Because I see the same thing I go on nowadays. And fella man look at that time I tell her, girl, you know I miss nothing. But yeah, so anybody who young right now and I watch this, listen to your parents. Nothing now run away, man now run away.
True. Dance
Now run away, party now run away. No, you're not missing anything. Take it from we. We've been there doing that.
True.
So it's just like, you know, push through and you will get all on there. Right now, I wish like that. I wish me that too.
Honestly.
Too much responsibility that really, man. You know?
You have to do everything for yourself.
Everything for yourself.
Every single thing.
Yeah. The cake nice, well.
What? Right now, I feel like I'm going to eat more.
Oh, God. So, guys. Hopefully, over that, I want to say, hopefully, now get a look insight in our local childhood years, stroll down memory lane type of thing. There's so much I would ever say.
Exactly, we have so much we
cannot say it.
Because we eat, we still we get it.
Yeah, we get it, exactly, still we get it. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs it up. If you're not subscribed, we're upon go subscribe. Comment down below, let us know what your favorite part was. Let us know some of your childhood memories that you can share. Fellow wanna follow you upon nothing? You have Instagram? You don't use Instagram, you don't use nothing. What's up alone in the pan people clock and we can't get no number. Where number go? But anyway, follow me on Instagram and all of that at BrightAsDae. And I will see y'all in another video. Say bye, fella.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Thanks for watching.
There we go.
If I want to, I want to come from pretty little island.